Hi everyone, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we have this Toyota Land Cruiser and we're going to do the headlight tint installation for this vehicle. So this is how the lens looks before doing the installation, and this is how it looks after the installation. So the tint has PPF properties, which means it will protect the lenses from yellowing over time, as well as protect it from any small scratches or any road debris that may hit the lens. Link for the product will be provided below. But with that being said, let's get started with the installation video. These are the tools you need for the installation. So before we start with the installation for the headlight tint, we need to make sure we prep the lens. So we're going to need two solutions for the prepping and the installation. So the first solution is slip solution, which contains baby shampoo mixed with distilled water. And our second solution is our tag solution, which contains isopropyl alcohol mixed with distilled water. So we're going to use our slip solution first and spray it onto the lens. Grab a clean rectifier towel and just make sure to remove any contaminants that the lens may have. And now once you remove all of the bug splatter or any contaminants that the lens may have, we're going to flip our microfiber towel around, grab our tag solution and spray it onto the microfiber towel. And what this does, it just helps remove any hard contaminants like any wax, grease or oils that the lens may have. And then once we're done prepping the lens, we can start with the installation. So we're going to start by installing the more difficult piece, which covers this section of the lens right here. So with this one, the film does have cutouts. The cutouts here, we need to make sure we just align them as we go and make sure to do some stretching in order to remove any fingers that we have around the cutouts. So to align it, apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. Place it, and to make sure you are aligning it correctly, you could use the cutout and align it right on the edge right there. So make sure it's aligned right on the edge, and the material should just sit flat like that. And now all we need to do is just apply tag solution on top. Make sure the film is staying in position and it's not lifting or moving. Keep it aligned. Grab your squeegee and start tagging it down slowly. As you tack it down, make sure to remove all the solution underneath the film. Focus on the flattest area first. Make sure it doesn't move. And also you can apply tag solution underneath the film to help the adhesive activate faster as well. And make sure it stays secured. And now all we have to do is secure this inside section here. So once you secure the flat area here, grab your squeegee and just slowly help it tack down inside the lens right here. So this is why there's cutout on each corner, that way it's easier to just tack down. There will be some exposed areas on the lens, but that's perfectly fine since we want a clean installation on the lens. Don't forget about the bottom piece here. Tack it down, tack down this side as well. Now for the remaining two, for this one here, we're just going to help it tack down and do a light stretch towards the inside. That way we don't have any fingers. So just stretch it just a little bit and tack it down. And do the same with this one. Do a mild stretch. That way we don't have any fingers. And tack it down slowly. And now you would just go ahead and grab a heat gun or a hair dryer, whatever heat source you have. Use the lowest setting and start applying heat throughout the entire tint. That way we help the adhesive on the film activate faster. You can also apply tag solution. That way the tag solution helps us tack down the film more faster. And as you're applying heat, grab a microfiber towel and just help tack down the edges. You can hold the film for a couple seconds. That way stay sealed. Okay, so for the headlight, just apply slip solution to the lens and slip solution to the adhesive side of the film. And all we have to do is just make sure it stays aligned on the top area first. Something to keep in mind though with the film, it only covers the front face of the lens. It doesn't cover the inside curves. So keep that in mind. So align it on the top edges and everything else should fall into place. As you're aligning, lift the film carefully and apply tag solution underneath and on top of the film. Make sure you're holding it. Make sure everything stays aligned. Grab your squeegee and start tightening down slowly. And then just to make sure the entire edge of this film is tacked down and sealed, we're just going to apply tack solution with heat and use your microfiber towel to seal the edges, and we should be good. But before you seal them, just make sure you remove all the solution underneath the film. That way you don't have any bubbles. So once you finish with the entire installation for the headlight, the last thing to do is to post heat. So just apply tack solution to the lens. Grab your heat gun or hair dryer and use the lowest setting for this part. And just make sure you're applying heat evenly throughout the entire lens. And as you're applying heat, use your microfiber towel to help tack down the film and just tack down any edges that are lifting. So take your time doing this step, and then once you're done with this process, you're done with the installation. So that concludes the installation video for the headlight tints for the Toyota Land Cruiser. We hope that the video helped you guys out with the installation. Don't forget to drop a like on the video, make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell. That way you don't miss any of our upcoming installation videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one.